Hi everyone, are you experiencing a lot of add to cart actions but no sales? Or is your conversion rate is very low and you want to convert these add to cart actions into sales? I'm Samuel, Program Manager at Appwork IT Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to share with you top 5 ways to fix Shopify abandoned carts. Essentially, how you convert these add to cart actions into sales. Tip number 1, cart recovery apps. Let's say a customer is about to make a purchase into your store, but suddenly something interrupts them. Maybe they got distracted, had to return to work, or their children interrupt them, and they left that item into your cart. Now, we need to remind them, hey, you have something into your cart, please complete the purchase as we have saved it for you. For these reminders, we can use different mediums like email flows, WhatsApp, Facebook Messengers, SMS, etc. And the best way to set these up by installing cart recovery apps for your store. To do this, go to your Shopify app store and search for cart recovery app. Now, you can see you have list of items here or the apps here which you can choose and customize as per your need. Tip number 2, free shipping. Have you enabled the free shipping option for your customers? If not, you should consider it. Free shipping is one of the most important factors customers look for when purchasing an item. If you are worried about losses, you can set conditions like minimum order amount or minimum product value. To enable the free shipping on your store, go to your Shopify admin portal, then click on Settings tab here. Now, click on Shipping and Delivery option here. Now, to set the free shipping, you need to click on this arrow option here under General Setting. Now, to create a free shipping rate, you need to click on this Add Rate option here. Now, as you can see, either you can select Use Flat Rate or Courier app. As we are setting a free shipping, let's suppose we are choosing Use Flat Rate. Then, under this option, we need to choose Custom. Now, we can write down the name which is free shipping for this. As we are giving them free shipping, we need to set the price as 0, and we can also add conditions like the minimum weight or minimum order price. That's it. Tip number 3, appearance. Your website appearance plays a crucial role in creating a good impression. Ensure that your website looks professional, aesthetic, and luxurious, with high-quality product images and consistent branding throughout. A well-designed website builds trust, making customers more comfortable purchasing from your store. If you need our assistance for creating your website aesthetic and more beautiful, you can reach out to us at contact@appwork.com. Tip number 4, social proof. Product and website reviews are essential for building trust. In today's world, customers almost always check reviews before making a purchase. Even if you are launching a new store, ensure you install a reviews app to start collecting customer feedback. There are several Shopify reviews apps to choose from, including JudgeMe, Klaviyo, Yotpo, etc. To install one, go to Shopify App Store and then search for Reviews app. Here you can see the list of multiple Shopify reviews app. You can select one of them and customize it according to your need. Tip number 5, policies. Every store needs clear policy pages such as return policy, exchange policy, etc. These pages answer common customer questions like, what if I don't receive the product as expected? What if the size isn't right? Providing clear policy makes customer feel comfortable and confident placing an order. To set up these policy pages, I have created a separate video that walks you through the process. I will add the link in the description below. That's all for fixing abandoned cart. Thank you for watching it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such content and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. If you have feedback or any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.